You're not loud enough.
Okay, I'm loud.
Yeah, emotionally, not physically. Solution? Bodybuilding.
What?
Whakanunu. Whakarai, you know, just bulk up, man.
God.
Bigger body, bigger voice. It's like a science adjacent thing, isn't it? You know, like you're a Mongan, eh?
Oh my God.
You know, you're like one of the Māori Tongans. So you've seen a bit of taro. Probably a lot of taros, so you actually look like an uso.
Oh my God. What? So whakatane, yo. Your answer to this is so that I do weight, so I look like a butch male.
Ah, nah, yeah.
Crazy. Look, all I know is if I do bodybuilding, it's not gonna be for Harrison or my voice. It's gonna be for the stage. Maybe a boyfriend. Who knows?
Kamaya, consistency. Hey, you lose your voice very easily.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. That's literally you now.
I mean, fine. He ahua tika pēnā. Ahua.
Yeah, it's hard to listen to. Okay, two-step solution to a tahi, hypnotherapy. Yeah? You'll try it out for 3 campaigns and your voice still isn't strengthened. Clearly it's a psychological thing. Tuarua, no milky products.
That's where I draw the line, Harry. Literally nobody tells me what I can and can't eat.
Yeah, well, milk is the enemy of your excellence. Okay, Kamaya?
You don't even know.
What, pardon? Funny how the voice comes back when you've got back chat, isn't it?